It is suddenly cut the vid. It's just a baby meow or something bad in here. Was oh my god. We should okay, it's so hard to wait. So let's back na mama niya, everyone. Here we go! Remove out BB outfit. Okay, please here to start. Night 1. Okay, it's time for bed. Oh, it's time for bed. It's time for bed. Wake up. Sorry. Alam mo ba? Lagi ko inaalagaan yung bunso kong kapatid. Yes. Ganito ko siya pinaglalaruan. Yan! Ganon. Charot. Sorry. Sorry. Mad yarn. Don't get mad, ha? Yo bad ha? Cut. Okay. Tulog na. Tulog na. I don't care if you were... Okay.
Panood sa TV wa.
Yes, of course. That I always... Oh my God. Okay, ba't palang ano? Wait lang. May kula. Ba't hindi ako... Wait lang. It's something weird. Yes, something weird. Like, hey baby, why you do flip, huh? Where's your lighter, huh? I already closed your Plushie, may plushie ka. May plushie. Sleep na. Why don't you want to sleep, huh? Why you don't want to sleep, baby? Baby. Got bottle from refrigerator. Okay. Feed the baby for 1 night. Night 1. Tapos, yung refrigerator, napakahaba. Ay, parang sa ano yun, diba? Ay.
Tapos ang tabate.
I'm not scared even. Like that. I'm not scared. Like, ilang laro ko na to. Like, for 9 na. Talaga addicted talaga ako. Take baby to change table. Ang baho mo. Nasa yung change table mo?
Sa baba.
Wait lang. What is that? Ilaw-ilaw. It's a black cat. Wait lang, ha? I will put you in here, ha?
Hindi sa baba.
Wait lang. What is this black cat, ha? Free zone.
Kahit ka naman yan.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. May nakikita pa ako dito mga ganyan eh. Where's the change table, ha? It's in the bathroom.
Oo, harap na sa bathroom.
Oh, it's there. There. Ay. No, it's where? Oh, it's there. Oh. What the hell? Oh, it's a black cat. Prison. Run. Ay, tong ina. Nasaan ka? Ay, buwisit ka? Sorry guys, talaga, medyo na talaga. Gusto mo talaga i-shake kita. Hindi ako takot sa'yo, ha? Hindi ako takot. Kaya wag mo...
Sa basin wala.
Gusto mo ilagay kita sa basin? O, sige, ha? Diyan ka. Diyan ka kasi bad boy ka. You're not even listening to me. You're such a bad boy, ha? Ang creepy naman. Creepy ng smile mo, baby. Ay, sorry. Ang creepy ng smile. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ba't yung picture nag-iba? Baby! Ano nang ginawa mo? Ba't mo kinoloran? Ang itim-itim ng color mo. Ano you have a sugat-sugat, ha? Bawat unlock natin dito pala ng ano. Find the storybook and sit.
The cat.
The Prince and the Cat. Ay, ganon.
Across the shore, in distant lands, they walked through the golden garden gate. Look at the pretty trees. They walked along the pretty pebble path. Look at the colourful flowers. They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain. Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look. But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear. What a mistake I made, the cat cried out. I should never have brought him here.
Wow! Para siya prinsipe na natulog. Wait. Wait lang. I don't want to wait for his parents. Because I want to find something. Ayun. Free some soul.
Run.
Nag-run na naman siya. Wait lang. Nasaan pa yung iba? Hindi. Ano yun? Like, ang bastos. Gusto niya ng batuhan. Ganon. Ganunan, ganyanan. Okay, wala na.
Oh, wala na. Mawait
Tatlo.
ako doon sa parents niya.
O, parang tatlo lang yung ano dito.
Wow.
Yung silaan sa fa. Oh, ino. Maybe, huwag ka naman.
Logobo.
Wow.
Nagla-loading ka.
Wow, doon pa ako naglag. Thanks for playing. We're able to keep the baby yellow free by show. Be, ginolo nyo ko para lang dyan. Nasa ka, baby?
Kato-kato.
Ayan.
Naka?
Ultra low. Where's the baby? Kanina wala ka dyan. Take baby to bed. Take again. Hindi na pa ako dito na pipi. Put the Yog. Anong plushie? Ayun, itong plushie. This plushie? Oh, ino.
Sorry sa yan.
Gusto mo ito. Ito. Baby cat. Ha? Yan. Chill out. Watch on...
Nasa din sa baba. Don't worry. Panood na sa TV.
Dahil 4 na yung ano natin. Sa papag yan. May... Talaga nakakapagong magbanta ng bata. Crying. Oh my God. So let's wait so long. Wait so long. So please don't do this at home.
Oh no!
So don't do this at home.
You're crying your eyes out?
So don't do this at home. Don't do at home. 4. Act 2. So don't do this at home, kids. So really, okay. Okay. Yes, I know.
Ara.
Yog.
Walang modo. Walang modong bata ah.
Ikaw. Ay, sorry. Masyado kang may... Saka sa putok mo. Pinapaligaw. Change table talaga. Wah. Wah.
Wala ka dali ba?
Wah.
Focus mo na.
Gago ka. Diba sabi ko? Refrigerator. Alam ko na. I-shake kita? Gusto mo i-shake kita? Ha? You're bad, ha? Hindi mo man lang... Yung bad mo! Nasaan na yon? Hindi kukuha kita ng bago. Saan na yun? Ang bad naman nun. Isang pampers na malakad. Ay, gago. Such a magical pampers, ha? Wait lang.
Nagsanayay.
Uy, ayun! In emergency brake glass. Wait lang. Ayun.
Pato?
Babalik tayo dyan. Pinakita na sa akin, so hindi na tayo matatakot. It means, lalala na to siya. Yes, I know. Hindi na ako natakot sa'yo kasi masyado kang, masyado kang,
Malandi.
yes! Baka paglaki mo, nilalandi mo na pati tatay mo.
Mamatay bakit hindi yan sila malandi? Kasi maglaki yan, nilalandi nila yan. Tapos alam mo tayo bakit yan hindi sila malandi? Kasi kalbo siya.
When the rabbit came to visit, the prince said time to play. But his big red eyes, they scared her, and she didn't want to stay. Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped. The prince ran right behind her and screamed she must be stopped.
Putaya.
The prince, he couldn't catch her. His heart was filled with wrath.
Okay.
The rabbit slipped right out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out, I need new friends, more, now, another. I'll bring you some, don't worry now, replied his loving, caring mother.
Wow, princess.
So, I'll talk your ano.
Hindi kayo buksan mo na mag-upload. I-take the cut na niya. Habang ito.
Then, hindi na.
Tumakibot mo wala. Tulog mo daan.
Use that for an emergency. Oh, this rabbit toy weird.
Sabi mo na rin.
Hmm?
Okay lang yan, di.
May passion.
Kuhain mo na yan, di. Pinili raw ng bata pa sa'yo. O ba sa'yo? For the TV na ko no?
For the TV. Okay.
Ay, loading na maman.
Okay. So, nag-down... Oh my godness. So, yung, ano, free soul pala siyang cat. Pero, this time, hindi tayo papasuko sa bata na yun. That's just, game na, palang critical.
In Hide in the Back Room you can play either as a hunter or as prey. In the hunter mode your task is to kill the other players before they find a key and escape your trap. You can use superpowers, like unnatural speed or looking through walls.
Hide or sick. I don't know. I hate this game. Like, parang backroom next box. Wow! The baby in yellow. Good night, sweet dreams. Which I'll show you my dreams. Uy! Oh my god! Sweet dreams! Watch on the sofa.
Sa galit kayo sa baba. Sa baba, gani.
Ba't ko ba isasarado to pito? Find something to eat. Prefers a cheese toasted. Where's the cheese? I knew the cheese was here. Ayun. Nakakainis yun.
Lagay mo daw yun yung cheese. Sige sa pawagid. Tag something bagid. Ham. Ham. Ham bagid ham. So, namit mo na. Sige na. Yun lang. Go. Tugig na daw.
Ako po yung monster. Yes, of course. Well, I don't know, so I will feed the baby.
Na-feel ko siyang monster.
Kanina may ganito. Dito may palampagan doon. Parang may kakaiba. So, let's go. So, emergency na. Natanan emergency. Emergency na. May nangyayari na. Ako na yung tinatawag na monster.
Kain mo gas yung baby.
Yes, that's correct. Locked. We have no choice to feed because they call me. Sino natatakot na?
Sobrang lamig ah.
Ang ina naman.
Be, dyan ka na lang, be.
Mm-mm. Ayoko nga.
Malamig ko dyan, be, sa labas.
Ano ba't ako? Palabasin niyo ako dito, gago. Takot ako dito. Ay, chill down, chill down. How could I going to live? Eh, ba't ako humihina? Tapos bigla na may monster na lalabas, diba? Ganun eh. Ganun yung tinatakot nila. Ganun ba ako ka-loser? Para takutin. Oh! Ah! No,
Hindi ka magagago. Dito.
Ay, hindi ba?
No? Nagsun ka na dagana. Dito na ba natin birthday yung vlog? Sun ka na. Namasakit ka? Ha?
Hindi. Dumang lagasa.
Oo.
Okay. So, dito na muna natin. So, dito
Stop.
muna natin.
Stop lang, guys. Stop.
Yes, kasi masyado na siyang ano.
Hindi natin
Ah,
stop.
sige, sige, sige.
Ako birthday pala. Sige ka to. Dali, Diana. Ito po, bugitsin mo. Bukas na. Putang na, be. Hindi ako papalabasin. Nang walang hiya. Hindi walang hiya din bata. Sana hindi mo na kinuha yung dede. Tubo kayo, ah.
Sige na. Sige na.
Natlog ko.
Nadla ko. Sige lang. Kaya mo natin na. God was here.
Gago ka. Kita ka.
Ako na nga.
Ikaw, alam mo.
Pakaunta di sa aswang.
Hindi. Hindi, ako na lang.
Ano lang. Who's the monster? Ito.
Dalagan dito, dalagan na.
Where?
Diri. Dara ka sulod do. Sulod ka na sa mga iba.
Yan, ganyan nga. So, ito na yung loading. So, paano siya paano siya dito?
Ngita ka hindi sa mga mga balay-balay, mga
Lakid. What is this? So, dito muna natin i-end. Bye-bye na.